So here, once I tap on that document, I could see that I could read it or look it over, but I can't write on it. So I'm going to have to click on the upper right-hand side where there's a square box with an arrow sticking out and tap on that. Then I'm given options of what to do with that. Some of you may be printing it out and writing on it, but since I'm using an iPad, I'm going to use the import to Acrobat. When I tap on the import to Acrobat, I'm giving a couple of choices. There's always choices on an iPad, it seems. But for purposes of this video, like I said, we're going to be writing on the document. So I'm going to tap on Fill Sign. This will open Adobe Acrobat Reader and direct you to where you can write on the document. You can see on the top, there's the name of the PDF, War on Four Continents, and then options below are where you can tap on typing, check mark, making an X, dot, making a line, circling, or creating a signature. Let's start with using the text button. The text button is what I think you'll be using most of the time. Cool thing about the text button is wherever you tap on the screen is where you could write text. So I'm going to put my name. It looks a little small. I'm going to tap on the font button and increase the size of the text. Okay, looks good to me. Now I'm going to put the date. Again, just tapping in the area that you want to write on. Today's date is the 12th. Use my word prediction. Very good. Okay. If it seems like something moved out of the way, you could hold and drag and move it to where you want to put it. All right, I'm going to read the document. I'll do it fast since I'm making this video. You may need assistance with actually reading the document, and that could be another video that could be put together. But if you have questions about that, speak to your occupational therapist. Next part is this multiple choice. Here I can use the line button if I want to try to cross out some answers. Or if you don't need that, you could go directly to answering the question. So I could again tap on the text bar and tap in the area you want to type, and I could put my answer in. Let's say I fill this all in and keep on going down to the bottom, and now the next part is a crossword puzzle. This crossword puzzle, the blank was fought on 4 continents, pretty long, but you can still write in it digitally. So you can choose to write by tapping in the box and writing the full answer, but that doesn't look too good, does it? Being that it's a crossword, you could type in directly into each box by just tapping in each of the cells. That doesn't look like the right answer, right? But that's okay, we're just making a video. You could then scroll down, let's say fill in that crossword completely, and I'm going to go down to here. Okay, we have a map. What nation owned Louisiana? Louisiana is French. Let's say I'm going to say, oh, Louisiana, it's French. I'm going to go down to my answer. Now I could type here if I wanted to, or I could even use my dictation. So if that's the bad part about dictation sometimes. Okay, and then who owns Florida? Whoops. Who owns Florida? Looks like Florida was Spain. Could go tap in that area. Okay. So I'm going to speed up and say that I filled it all out. Okay, at this point, once it's filled out, this is where you're going to send it to someone. So your teacher, whether it's an email or whether it's through Schoology, you tap in the upper right hand side, there's a box with an arrow. If I tap on that arrow, I'm going to say share a copy. When I click on share a copy, I have the option to hit mail, Teams, save to files, import to Acrobat, which I'm already in Acrobat. I could even share it by hitting more and sharing it to Schoology. There's a lot of different things you could do, even share it to OneDrive or even Google Drive, things like that. I'm going to just save it to my files. Okay, when I share it, save it to my files on my iPad, and I hit save, this is where I can grab it later. This is if you're going to put it back onto Schoology or Class Dojo. If you're going to just send it in an email, you could do so just from hitting the button, share a copy, and say put it in mail. I'm going to come out of this